Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest product reviews. Today, we have something special for all you music lovers and party enthusiasts out there. The HWWR Karaoke Machine. It's not just a karaoke machine. It's the best karaoke speaker available in the market. Stick around as we dive deep into its features, performance, and why it's a must-have for your next gathering. First things first, let's unbox this beauty and see what's inside. As we unbox the HWWR Karaoke Machine, you can see that it comes with everything you need for a fantastic karaoke experience. We have the karaoke machine itself, 2 wireless microphones, a remote control, a 3.5mm aux cable, and a charge cable. It's all here, ready to go. Now, let's talk about what sets this karaoke machine apart from the rest. One of the standout features of this machine is its portability. It's designed with a convenient carrying handle, making it easy to take anywhere you want. Whether you're heading to a friend's house or having an outdoor party, this karaoke machine is your perfect companion. The HWWR Karaoke Machine boasts 2 high-quality subwoofers that deliver powerful and clear sound. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, you'll experience stable and clear sound transmission, making your music sound better than ever before. Check out these cool disco lights. They sync with the rhythm of your music and can be customized with various lighting effects. They're perfect for creating a dynamic atmosphere at any party or gathering, providing an unforgettable karaoke experience. No need to worry about the party running out of steam. This karaoke machine comes with a rechargeable battery that offers up to 8 hours of playtime. It keeps the music going all night long. The true wireless stereo feature allows you to wirelessly connect 2 identical speakers for a stereo sound experience. Whether you're using it for karaoke or music playback, this feature takes your audio experience to the next level. All functions are displayed clearly on the control panel, making it user-friendly. You can connect via Bluetooth, use USB, TF card, aux mode, and even record in USB and TF card mode. It offers flexibility and playback options. The HWWR Karaoke Machine is a fantastic gift for people of all ages. Whether it's for music enthusiasts, party lovers, or those who enjoy high-quality audio at home. This versatile and practical gift is perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. Now, I had the chance to try this karaoke machine myself, and I have to say, it's an absolute blast. The sound quality is impressive, and the disco lights add an exciting visual element to the experience. Just imagine hosting a karaoke night with your friends or family. With 2 wireless microphones, you can have duets and sing-offs, creating unforgettable memories. You might be wondering about the price. Well, the HWWR Karaoke Machine is priced at just $159.99, and considering everything it offers, it's an incredible value for money. So, there you have it, the best karaoke speaker on the market, the HWWR Karaoke Machine. It's portable, delivers outstanding sound, and comes with those mesmerizing disco lights. Plus, it's a fantastic gift for anyone who loves music and fun gatherings. Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring the party to life with this incredible karaoke machine. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review of the latest and greatest products. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.